In this video, I will show you how to export your Shotcut video for YouTube. Shotcut is a powerful, ad-free, open-source video editor. Given its low cost, it's ideal for YouTubers who are just getting started. Many people don't think about the export settings they need for YouTube until after they've finished editing their video. Fortunately, Shotcut includes a built-in YouTube export preset that makes the process simple. All of these export settings can also be customized, allowing you to fine-tune them for your specific video. To get started, open Shotcut and load the video you want to export. Make sure the Export tab is visible in the interface. Because Shotcut is highly customizable, the Export tab may appear in a different location on your screen. If you don't see it, click View in the menu at the top of the screen and enable Export. Click the Export tab to open the export window. From there, click the drop-down arrow next to Stock to view the available export presets. Scroll down and select YouTube. On the right side of the export window, you can review the settings that will be applied to your video. You'll see that the video is exported as an MP4 file. The resolution is set to 1280 by 720 with a 16.9 aspect ratio. The codec and quality settings are already configured, and the audio uses an AAC codec with a 48,000 Hz sample rate. These settings work well for most YouTube uploads, but you can adjust them if needed. When you're ready, click Export Video to Audio, choose where you want to save your video, and give it a name. Once the export begins, you'll see the progress in the Jobs window on the right side of the screen. When the export is complete, a green check mark will appear. After exporting, navigate to the folder where you saved your file. Your video is now ready to be uploaded to YouTube. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. If you found this helpful, check out another video or subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.